Passive voice in past continuous tense. Mastering English grammar. Hello, dear learners. In this video, we are going to focus on a crucial aspect of English grammar, the passive voice. More specifically, we will concentrate on using the passive voice in the past continuous tense. This can be a bit challenging, but don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. Let's dive right into it. The passive voice is a grammatical construction where the object of a sentence becomes the subject. It's often used when the action is more important than who or what is performing the action. Example in active voice: the cat chased the mouse. Example in passive voice: the mouse was chased by the cat. The focus shifts from the cat, the doer, to the mouse, the receiver of the action. Before we delve into using passive voice in the past continuous tense, let's review what the past continuous tense is. The past continuous tense is used to describe an action that was happening at a specific time in the past. The structure is was, were plus verb ing. Example: the children were playing football when it started to rain. Now, let's combine these two grammatical points. When using the passive voice in past continuous tense, the sentence structure changes to was, were plus being plus past participle of the main verb. Example: the football was being played by the children when it started to rain. The focus has shifted from the children, the doer, to the football, the receiver of the action. Let's look at some more examples to make this clearer. Active voice: the chef was preparing the meal. Passive voice: the meal was being prepared by the chef. Active voice: the workers were building the house. Passive voice: the house was being built by the workers. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try converting active sentences to passive and vice versa to master this concept. And that wraps up our lesson on passive voice in the past continuous tense. We hope that this video has been helpful for you. Keep practicing and you'll have this concept nailed down in no time. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious. Happy studying!